I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the...
Hi all, I am CHIC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today we have an exciting video. Today's all about this gorgeous, beautiful umbrella shaped bob by the company Gorgius Hair. I would love to thank Gorgius Hair so much for sending me this beautiful, cute, and chic bob and for sponsoring today's video. This is Gorgius Hair Highlights Bob Umbrella Shaped T-part Lace Frontal Glueless Wig. It is 12 inches long and 180% density. If you are interested to see how I got this beautiful install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. They be plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now, I got plans now, I'm finna branch out, grip quick, but never let go this year. I put all of that in my rip. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Wait, okay. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. From where that crevice be. I've been silent since the less of me. Out here with the sea, really in the field. I'm really on cam now. I got plans now. I'm finna branch out, grow up quick, but never let go of this year. I put all of that in my rip. Hey. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down. I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me. You say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. Hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me. Hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. You say you down for me. I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the fire's clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so right there.
All right, you all. So we're done. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, you all. Do you see what we have here? Baby, this bob right here. You know I'm gonna ask. Do you see what I see? Like, do you see it, baby? Do you see it? Do you see what I see? So as always, I like to go ahead and add some type of polisher or hair serum. So that one is by the brand Silicone Mix. And I just add nice shine and luster to the hair. I'm just loving this retro color. It's giving me like vintage, like 90s, you all. What do you all think? You got this beautiful brown color, and then you have this highlight 613 blonde color in the front. So 90s. I'm just loving how bouncy and like full this hair is. And as you all saw today, I did install this today without any glue whatsoever, okay? Only hairspray. This is a T-part lace wig, so it's a 12 by 5, 12 inches ear to ear, and then 5 inches down the middle. And then the part itself is 2 inches wide, so just enough for plucking and whatsoever, you all. And look, bomb, you have a beautiful, gorgeous style. You would not be able to tell that this is a T-part lace wig, okay? This looks like a full-on frontal. As always, let's go back in to our Ruby Kisses in the lighter shade, and we're gonna define the part just a tad. As you can see, this hair contains 3 mixed colors. We have number 3 here in the roots. So that is our top color. And then this gorgeous number 4 brown color in the back. And in the front, we have the 2 highlighted pieces here, 613. Gorgeous, okay? This unit and this color is something very different to my channel. I have never reviewed such a beautiful mixed tone colorful bob before, and you all, I'm so in love, okay? It is time to step outside the box, ladies, and get something, you know, different from your comfort zone. I'm telling you, you all will still slay a look just like this one. This 12 inches is a perfect length, you all, perfect for summer and transition into the fall season that's coming upon us. Summer hair, fall hair, you all, baby, it's a look, it's a style, okay? And that completes today's hair install, you all. Super duper quick. You got a style right outside of the box that you know. That's why I absolutely love, okay? A style like this. So I would love to thank Gorgius Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested in this exact unit, I'll be sure to link it down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products I use in today's install as well. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.